Nice, I want the kookaburras to really laugh again, so Tiff can hear them. Hello, dragonflies. Hi. Oh, okay, bye. Thank you. Oh, different coloured one. Boring one. Oh, you're so pretty. So pretty. Can I step over there though, please? Oh, I'd like to walk that way. Thank you. Come on, kookaburras. You know you want to. Wee. Nothing. I would have given him a laugh. Hello, cicada. So we are in Mooloolah, where I grew up, or Mooloolah Valley. This place is called Hell's Hole. It's been called that forever, or Hell Hole now. They dropped the S. Oh wow, I see an eel. Hey Cam, I see an eel. And I'm gonna get closer. That's cool. Ah. Yep, bloop. That was my foot. Hi, I see your nose. Just there's its nose. Yeah. Hi, my guy. Do you want to come out and say hello? I'd love to see you. And I don't really want to disturb you. Oh, sorry. I'm looking around for stuff. I've got a little twig. So I'm going to zoom out. See if I can't. Oi, 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 oi. I don't know what that was. That was not the eel. Okay, bigger stick time. Okay, that's not gonna work. I need hand power. Oh, but I don't want to. I'm scared. Okay. Let's just do. Oh, I don't want to. But I want to see it. I'll get the net. Okay, bye.